Yes, students, we are going to study what is Cp and Cv. This is the molar specific heat at constant pressure, and this is the molar specific heat at constant volume. Cp value is more than Cv. Cp is more than Cv. So this is I am going to explain how you can say that this is the more. Rightly, in this, whether you are supplying the energy, on supplying the energy, its pressure is constant, you can say above the gas there is a weight, it is a constant. Whether you will supply the energy, so temperature changes, let 0 Kelvin to 1 Kelvin. You can say in degree Celsius, this is the best one. If 0 degree Celsius to 1 degree Celsius, this is the change in temperature for 1 mole of a gas at NTP, STP. Pressure P is constant. So whether you will supply energy to the system, molecules of the system will absorb the energy and that temperature will rise, the gas will expand. Whether gas is expanding, work is done by the gas will lose the energy. So on expansion, temperature will fall, more energy will have to supply, so that temperature becomes 0 to 1 degree Celsius. But in this case, this is the 1 mole substance. Volume is same. By diagram I am showing same volume. Initially, this is the volume. V is constant. It is constant. Volume is constant. Its temperature is 0 degree Celsius to becomes 1 degree Celsius on supplying the amount of energy. Let it is Q1 and the energy supplied is Q2. Q2 energy are supplied. And it is 1 mole, it is also 1 mole, and let it is oxygen, it is also oxygen. So in this case, volume is not changing, but pressure will increase. So unless there is no loss of energy, no additional energy will have to supply due to expansion. Here is expansion is taking place, volume will increase, volume becomes V1 to V2 or V volume to V1. This becomes volume increases and here volume remains constant. So here you will supply the energy, no work done by the due to expansion by the gas, so no energy is used in expansion. So total energy what you will supply to this will increase, so less energy is required in this more energy is required. So this for 1 mole, this is the equal Cp. For 1 mole energy required to raise temperature by 1 degree Celsius, this is the Cp under the constant pressure, and this is the Cv. This is energy. Cv is molar specific heat. Molar specific heat is the energy for 1 mole of substance under constant volume for to raise the temperature by 1 degree Celsius. So this is molar specific heat. So molar specific heat difference, their difference is R. Practically for different gases, the difference is different. It is not exact 8.31. Generally we take 8.31, 8.2, but for different, you will see the chart, you will find difference for different gases is different. But we generally take 8.31, 8.3, 8.4, 8.2. So this is it is called universal gas constant. The difference will be approximately constant. So this is universal gas constant, and this is the meaning of Cp and Cv. Okay, best of luck. In case you have any doubt, so please comment me, please subscribe the channel, and my full knowledge I'll try my best to provide you. Okay, Thank you.